Bakers to complete a dinner set, but it must be moulded. Rather than
I hope to be finished all my baking by now, but I've still got a couple of things to finish.
Just might get this angle right. Caramel, it's very difficult.
It's not blowing my mind.
Bread.
It's a shame that Paulie was judging it, eh?
Or soda breads any way you like, but one should be sweet and one should be
Stoked on chocolate.
So you're baking for Ireland today?
Yeah.
Surrounded by a family.
Is India all right?
I have breakfast.
We are hitting the town.
Okay.
Dave's giving his Hampshire home far flung.
And they're
Well, don't I? The rest of it.
I like a little bit.
The pattern's a little.
I mean, blonde blue. You have one for you with his cold blue eyes.
When I said most things,
It looks as if they...
Flavour's okay. Texture's real wrong.
Yeah.
Get set.
not messing anything up.
Make the dough. Nothing else.
No further instruction.
Thanks, Paul.
I haven't made him rich dough that often, so just have to wing it. What's the freest thing
Yeah,
I've
what?
ever done?
Get got naked in the public space.
I haven't. No.
Even though it hasn't risen as much, it's very tender.
Zura is 7. This is it. Believe.
And now be on this platform led by, because like I said, I'm the so like.
Say where you gotta be like you always want, and people love you for that, and if they don't love you for that, it's because they have no taste.
Drag superstar. The time has come. A crown and scepter provided by Fierce Drag Jewels. A year